We're here at Universal's Endless Summer Resort, Dockside Inn and Suites, and we are going to take a tour of a 2-bedroom suite. Now, these 2-bedroom suites have definitely more room, and as you can see there, we had a picnic table, and it looks pretty similar to the standard room. And I will put up top in the description our tour of a standard room. As you can see, you have all these handy dandy hooks. You've got drawers, TV. This one is a 2-queen bed, and you have plug-ins and a bedside table. And I'm just going to show you the view from the room we had. This was a standard room view. So you do have a picnic table in here, and a sink, and your coffee maker. And that takes those flat pods or flat packs, and you've got some drawer space there, and I'm just showing you, there's your refrigerator, mini fridge, and you do have a microwave with these units and some shelves. So here is your bathroom. And first we're going to take a look at the second bedroom, and you have those hooks in here also, and you had a TV there, and I'm going to show you behind the door. This is where the safe is. And you do have some a little shelf, a mini shelf there beside the bed, along with some plug-in space. And this is where your curtained little unit is, that has the ironing board and I think a blanket. And back out, we're back at the bathroom, double sink, big mirror, plenty of shelf space there, and your hair dryer, and your toilet and your tub shower combo. Here are your toiletry products. I know some people ask about that. So this room is one of our go-tos, and we love staying here. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe. Here's another video you might like.